Salmon Wellington. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen on this gorgeous spring day. For tonight's dinner, we are going to be dining al fresco, and I will be preparing Salmon Wellington. Delicious. Now let's get started. I'm going to begin with the filling, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 small diced shallot. Cook for a few minutes until translucent. 2 minced garlic cloves, and don't cook any longer than a minute. 1/4 cup of white wine to deglaze, and let it simmer until it evaporates. Everything has sauteed beautifully. The wine has evaporated to half. Now it's time for 1/3 cup of cream cheese. You want the cream cheese to melt. 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano, and final ingredient, 1 cup of chopped and dried spinach. Give this a really good mix until everything is combined evenly. A pinch of kosher salt and a pinch of black pepper. Give the spinach a final good mix, and now we're going to set it aside and let it cool down to room temperature. And to taste with salt and pepper. Start by spreading the mixture. Leave 2 inches all the way around because we want to close it after. Place the salmon on top of the mixture, and we're going to do an envelope close. Pinch this shut. There we go, and the back here. Repeat with the second. Nice envelope tuck and pinch. The egg wash is 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk. Brush the egg wash all over. A very light score. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Top with some sesame seeds if you like. I really like sesame seeds on puff pastry. Oven for 25 to 30 minutes. My Salmon Wellington baked off beautifully, and I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. Cut this in half and show you what it looks like inside. Delicioso. Absolutely delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao. Oh, we're dining al fresco, and I know my husband is going to absolutely love this.